Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is the Littleford, it's the 50, the MZ50 model I believe it is, FM50 I'm sorry. It runs with a plows type mixer and internal chopper. We've bypassed the safety system. You'll see right here there is a micro switch which we've closed off to allow us to run it open like this. The main cover has this small threaded device which nests into this unit to act as a safety. You'll see the clamping ring there. The chopper motor. Had to remove the cover just to make sure, turn it by hand. We're taking all the guards off so we can get a good look at what's going on before we do run it. It's a 3 horsepower main drive. Belted pulley, very simple drive system. The original controls showing ammeters. Former owner has a small airflow system for the air purge seals on each one of the shafts. You'll see the hose entering right here into the chopper motor. So there's a lantern ring in the packing gland seal, as there is right in here in the main drive. It's a standard compression packing, takes Teflon packing, and you can actually buy any standard lantern ring material to put that in. The former owner Ford also added this little small spray nozzle you'll see in the top there, and there's also a small pressure tank which was used and connected to here. They added an oil into the mix as they went. Mostly this was cosmetic products, makeup and such. We're going to do a little cleanup on it, and then you'll be able to see it in the stock or under our mixers miscellaneous category. The blue is the original paint, and we're going to give it a quick wash, and we suspect a lot of this will come off. We'll see what it looks like then. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.